Welcome to Pinoy Guard, where we explore the strength, strategy, and legacy of the Philippine military. Today, we delve into the dramatic retirement of iconic aerial warriors and the bold new moves to reinforce the skies. Stay tuned. In a significant turn of events on the 28th of December 2024, the Philippine Air Force officially retired two of its most iconic assets, the Rockwell OV-10 Bronco light attack aircraft and the Bell AH-1 Cobra attack helicopters. These legends of the sky had served the nation valiantly for decades, their silhouettes a familiar sight in counterinsurgency operations and defensive missions. As the Philippines marches forward under the Re-Horizon 3 phase of the revised Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization Program, the 15th Strike Wing has set its sights on acquiring a new generation of attack helicopters. The question arises, will it be another batch of Thai T129 ATAK helicopters to complement the existing fleet, or will the country embrace the formidable Boeing AH-64 Apache? Let's unravel this story. The Thai T129 ATAK helicopters are already proving their mettle within the Philippine Air Force, delivering precise firepower and outstanding agility in close air support and counterterrorism operations. With 6 units currently in service, the 15th Strike Wing's push to acquire an additional 6 units reflects their trust in the platform's battlefield effectiveness. However, the Apache AH-64, a name synonymous with global military dominance, offers an entirely different tier of capability. Armed with the iconic M230 chain gun, Hellfire missiles, and advanced radar systems, the Apache is a game-changer in both offensive and defensive operations. It's a symbol of cutting-edge technology and raw power that could significantly bolster the Philippines' deterrence strategy. Military expert Colonel Renato Santiago, a retired Philippine Air Force pilot, remarked, "The acquisition of either platform is a strategic move. While the T129 ATAK offers continuity and cost efficiency, the Apache brings unparalleled firepower and international prestige." Acquiring 6 additional T129 ATAK helicopters ensures operational consistency. Maintenance protocols, training programs, and spare parts logistics would align seamlessly with the existing fleet. The ATAK's versatility in low-intensity conflicts and its ability to operate in rugged terrains make it an ideal choice for the Philippine archipelago. On the other hand, the AH-64 Apache offers advantages that are hard to ignore. Its longbow radar system allows it to detect and engage up to 128 targets simultaneously, a feature that could provide the Philippines with a significant edge in territorial defense. The Apache's combat record in global conflicts speaks volumes of its reliability and effectiveness. In a recent defense forum, an anonymous high-ranking officer shared, "While the Apache is a more expensive option, its deterrence value alone could justify the investment. It sends a strong message to potential aggressors." Cost remains a crucial factor. The T129 ATAK is more budget-friendly, with an estimated price tag of $50 million per unit compared to the Apache's $80 million. However, the Apache's advanced avionics and weaponry could offset the initial costs with long-term strategic advantages. The retirement of the OV-10 Broncos and AH-1 Cobras marks the end of an era for the Philippine Air Force. These aircraft were not just machines, they were symbols of resilience and tactical ingenuity. As the nation transitions to modern platforms, the decision between the T129 ATAK and AH-64 Apache will shape the future of Philippine aerial warfare. Both options offer unique advantages. The ATAK ensures seamless integration and operational efficiency, while the Apache introduces unparalleled firepower and technological superiority. The decision ultimately hinges on balancing immediate needs with long-term strategic goals. The skies of the Philippines are evolving, and the 15th Strike Wing is at the forefront of this transformation. Whether it's the trusted T129 ATAK or the powerful Apache AH-64, the nation's defense capabilities are set to reach new heights. What do you think should be the Philippines' next move? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on Pinoy Guard. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next deep dive into the world of Philippine military and defense. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!